Okay, this is Haksai Beach. So it's pretty popular. It's a Sunday. It's a Sunday today, so we're just gonna walk down the water and just kind of show you a little bit and come back. So stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is Haksai Beach. This is the biggest beach in Macau, and it's also called Black Sand Beach. So what we're gonna do is just kind of walk through it a little bit, and then we're gonna go down and just go to the black sand part. So we'll just walk straight down this way. See the lifeguard is on duty. Just kind of head on down. So yeah, lots of people today on this Sunday. So yes, whoa, almost fell down a hole. Just fell right in that spot right there. Okay, let's go down. So there's some lifeguards on duty as well. And we're gonna go down. We got some sandcastle stuff. And we're gonna go all the way down like this. And we're just gonna walk towards the beach a little bit. We're just gonna go down that way. I kind of want to walk past the crowds a little bit and then get down in this area. So we'll kind of focus like that. So it's kind of a black sand, so you can see the black sand part, right? So you can see all that. We're just gonna go all the way down. We're gonna keep going all the way down this way, then we get beyond a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of a black sand beach. It goes all the way down there, and that's like right now that's a hotel facilities for COVID. So sometimes if people have to do a quarantine, they might stay in that area. So we're just gonna kind of go through all this real quick. Yeah, you can see all this black sand now, right? Yeah, right now it's May 2nd, May 3rd, something like that. I'll put it down to the left. And this is the most popular beach, and it's kind of a rainy day today, but there's a lot of people out. It's also a holiday weekend. It's a 3-day holiday weekend. So we're gonna come out of the beach a little bit, and we're gonna go up towards this place. I'll just kind of show you. I don't want to get too close to that area because that's also the bathroom facilities, so people are, I don't think you'd see anything anyways, but just in case, I don't want to. So we're just gonna walk straight up this way. Somebody's flying, rolling in a kite. It's like it went across something. Yeah, there's the kite right there. So we're gonna show you some of the facilities as well, and then we'll end this video in a little bit. You see all the bubbles. So that's a little path that goes further down the beach. You can go quite a ways down there. There's barbecue pits down there, and you can walk, it's about 1 kilometer to that hotel down there. There's the kite that was just at least. Okay. We're gonna come over this way. There's all these kind of barbecue pits. I did show this another time, all the places you can eat. So we'll just go in there for a minute. Hello. Oh, one coconut. So just kind of walk. Hello, sir. Hello. Barbecue. Barbecues. Thank you. So we got some barbecues there and more barbecues here too. So we just kind of walk, check out all these things. And we'll just kind of come back around, and then we'll end it in a circular pattern. There's some of the, and we're gonna come back this way. But you can see this giant parking lot that goes all the way down. I think it's completely full on a Sunday. There's also a boardwalk down this way. We're gonna walk towards that too. So that's the one boardwalk, and then that's the lake right there, the ocean. So yeah, And you got your lifeguard on duty right there. So, okay. That's a little taste of Haksai Beach right there. So we'll end it. And there's also all this right here, and there's a coastal trail that goes all the way on that end. Maybe I'll show you a little bit of that if I remember it. I'll put it at the end of this. Okay, hope you like this one.